Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Exploring in My Way. In this episode, I will tell you about 10 unsung heroes of India. We all know about the brave and fearless tale of Dashrath Manjhi, who carved through a mountain to connect people to the other side of the mountain. His tale was beautifully depicted in Nawazuddin's Terror Manjhi. Like Manjhi, there are so many other stories of courageous Indians that have remained untold and unheard by society. Let us hope it doesn't take another 22 years for us to acknowledge these 10 unsung heroes that have worked hard to inspire people around them and selflessly devoted their lives to a cause. Gangadhara Tilak Katnam. A couple of years after his retirement from serving the railways, Gangadhara Tilak Katnam is now on a mission to fill all the potholes on Hyderabad's roads. Katnam's backseat always has a few bags of mixed gravel kept handy to fill potholes. Katnam has till date filled 1125 potholes to make Hyderabad's road safer for commuters. Nandlal Master, this local weaver from a village near Varanasi, has been on a mission to empower women and abolish child labor. Nandlal Master started a learning center to educate children from villages around him because people end up getting their children married since they can't afford their education. His initiative now has over 500 students from less privileged homes. He has also been able to conduct more than 700 weddings to help out families. He is now trying to promote intercaste marriages and breaking traditions like dowry. Daripalli Ramaya, known as the man who planted more than 10 million trees, Daripalli Ramaya carries seeds in his pockets and plants on his cycle, planting the seeds in the hope that the entire area becomes green very soon. The motivation for this man to plant trees comes from his quest for sublime peace and no material benefit. Apart from planting so many trees, he also gives away plants for free to people. He had once requested a local MLA to plant a tree when someone gifted him 5000 rupees during his son's marriage, but he used that in cause. Omkarna Sharma, on a quest to start a free medicine bank for the poor and the needy, Omkarna Sharma, popularly known as Medicine Baba, walks around the streets of Delhi, knocking on the doors of relatively well-to-do households to collect free medicines for the needy. Sharma began this mission in 2008 when a bridge collapsed in Delhi and he saw many injured people being turned away from hospitals because they didn't have the required medicines. People suffered because of inadequate medicines and he began his quest. He wakes up every morning and walks 5 to 7 kilometers procuring non-prescription medicines. He has now gained some regular contributors. Chivang Norel, this Iceman of India has created 10 glaciers in Ladakh to help deal with water scarcity in the region. A civil engineer by profession, Chivang Norel in 1966 was given the task to build schools, canals, roads, bridges, etc. In a remote district of Ladakh, he trained a number of villages for this task because of the lack of skilled labor in this remote area. Kamalalochan Balir Singh in Bhubaneswar, a 60-year-old man, survives despite extreme poverty. Most days he sleeps hungry and doesn't get to eat even a bite. Despite all this, he feeds street dogs on the roads every day without fail. Even if he doesn't get to eat a grain all day, he makes sure that the dogs around him are well fed. He has been a rag picker all his life, but for the past 10 years he has been feeding these street dogs. He does not take charity and he survives with his selflessness. Kalyan Sundaram, this 70-year-old librarian has donated every penny of his earnings towards charity. He ended up taking odd part-time jobs to earn some extra money to survive, and he never married. His pension of 10 lakhs of an award of a whopping 30 crores were also passed along to charity. He has been donating all his money to charity for past 30 years and he has misgivings. He has slept on railway tracks and pavements to experience the plight of the poor. Sindhutai Sapkal, commonly known as the mother of orphans, Sindhutai Sapkal has adopted and taken care of over 1400 orphans and children who were abandoned by their parents. She had been abandoned by her husband when she was 9 months pregnant, and she has often recalled how she gave birth to her daughter without anyone's help. She cut the umbilical cord with a stone. She also began begging when her own mother refused to shelter her during this time. Soon she adopted these around her who couldn't earn and didn't have parents to take care of them. She has won over 500 awards, but have you even heard of her? Pravin Tulpule. After serving in the Indian Navy for 17 years, this ex-naval officer now acts as Pintu, the clown magician, while visiting pediatric wards and orphanages. After retiring, he began serving children in the hope to bring a smile on the face of a child who was suffering from deathly diseases. Swapnil Tiwari, the creator of organization Naked Colors, Swapnil Tiwari has worked hard for the betterment of tribal communities. This organization helps struggling artisans by giving them 1/3 of the earnings from each piece of work sold by them. He started this mission when he heard of the death of an artisan in Madhuban who he was in constant touch with there. The difficulties faced by his family made him travel to the village and face all obstacles to bring the family to Mumbai. The artisan's wife had endured rape and other violence, and Tiwari brought her and her daughter to be a safer place. He has also begun an organization that focuses on women's safety, the Pink Whistle Project.